photographer in seconds. Section 4. Living smarter with AI everyday impacts. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to sleep, AI is subtly enhancing your life. It provides traffic updates, recommends personalized music playlists, and even helps you manage your daily schedule. Imagine waking up to a personalized alarm that adjusts based on your sleep patterns. AI can also translate languages in real time, breaking down communication barriers and connecting people from different cultures. Whether you're traveling abroad or chatting with a friend who speaks another language, AI makes it seamless. Remember the last time you booked a cab or ordered food online? AI was working behind the scenes to ensure a smooth and efficient experience. It predicts your preferences, suggests the best options, and even optimizes delivery routes. AI was working behind the scenes to ensure a smooth and efficient experience. It coordinates with various services to make sure everything runs like clockwork. AI is not just changing how we use our phones, it's revolutionizing our daily routines. From smart home devices that adjust the lighting and temperature to suit your mood, to virtual assistants that help you stay organized, it's changing how we live our lives. By automating tasks, providing instant information, and offering personalized experiences, AI is making our lives more convenient and enjoyable. AI is freeing up our time and making us more efficient. It allows us to focus on what truly matters, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Section 5. A glimpse into the future. Mobile AI's next big thing. The future of mobile AI is brimming with possibilities. From healthcare to communication, the advancements are set to revolutionize our daily lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Imagine phones that can diagnose illnesses with just a scan, providing instant health insights and potentially saving lives by catching issues early. Translate languages in real time with near-perfect accuracy, breaking down communication barriers and bringing people closer together, no matter where they are from. Or even predict your emotions based on your facial expressions, allowing for more personalized and empathetic interactions with your device. As AI technology continues to evolve, our smartphones will become even more intuitive, personalized, and indispensable. They will learn from our habits and preferences, making our lives smoother and more efficient. The line between the physical and digital worlds is blurring. Augmented reality will merge seamlessly with our surroundings, creating a hybrid experience that enhances our perception of reality. With AI, our phones are no longer just devices. They are becoming extensions of ourselves, integrating into every aspect of our daily routines. They empower us to live healthier, more productive, and more connected lives. From managing our schedules to monitoring our health, the potential is limitless. The future is here, and it fits right in your pocket. Our smartphones are not just tools. They are companions that enhance our lives in countless ways. Embrace the future of mobile AI, where innovation meets convenience, and the possibilities